Hi there, welcome to our channel FleetTech. In this video, we will talk about how to transfer BnB from Metamask to Binance Smart Chain. So for this, go to Binance and click on Wallet on the top right side. From there, click on Withdraw. So once you clicked, now here you need to select BnB. So search for BnB and there we have this first one. So I will click on it. So as you click on it, a new interface will open. Okay, so now here you need to add the network. So first of all, click on it and go with the second one here. And now you need to copy this link address. So simply click on this copy option and the address will be copied. So once it is copied, now open the extensions and from there click on Binance extension, open it. And now here you need to select BNB. Make sure that your network is Ethereum. Okay, so now here you need to paste that link here and then enter the amount that you want to send. So you will need to verification to complete this withdrawal. Enter the amount of BNB that you want to send and then click on next. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.